I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. For today's behind the scenes video, I will take you with me on my latest photoshoot. I was really inspired to shoot in the fields at golden hour. I decided to buy some props to complement the overall vibe of the photos. All photos are shot on Canon R6 and 50mm RF lens. My model is Maria, and you can check her Instagram in the description. This is our first spot. I decided to use the sun as a backlight, because it was perfect for the dreamy vibe that I wanted. I love using this light to create soft and magical photos. One bonus for this type of light is that it is really flattering on your model's skin. Let's talk about the props. For me, they are a very important part of the photoshoot. I bought a blanket, some fake flowers and a bag. Maria had that hat. All these elements help me to add to the story of the photos. Storytelling is a very important part of the photography, and especially in portraits.
I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh, I know that it's...
I decided to shoot the next set of images in the shade, because the sun was too hot. We started with some sitting poses and they worked, but I really wanted to try some different perspectives. I asked Maria to lie down on the blanket and I shot from above. At first she wasn't really feeling the idea, so here is a tip for you. When your model is not sure what are you doing, take some test pics and show them the result. More often than not, they will like the photos. In the end, those pics were some of her favorites.
Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more.
The last thing that we tried here was some close-ups in f1.8, which creates a beautiful depth of field, and the blanket serves as a reflector bouncing light in the model size, creating catch lights.
How do you move on when everything is wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what you said.
At this point, the sun was setting and the light was soft, so I decided to shoot some direct sunlight photos. This light is good to create vibrant high contrast photos with a fashion or Instagram feel. Using harsh white in golden hour is very flattering for portraits, but it's a little bit limited for poses, because the model has to be aware of the shadow that they cast on themselves with their posing. One other thing, because I shot with 50mm lens, in this case I can't get close to my model, because I will cast a shadow on her. So I was limited to mid-late or full body shots, but I think they work out. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. That's it for this photoshoot guys, like and subscribe, bye!